Hey guys, I'm going to show you where the mounting points are on this BMW 5 Series F11 model. It's pretty much the same as the F10, so it would apply to that one as well. But I would imagine that the same mounting point system is pretty much on all of the BMWs. So I'll check the manual, and it's pretty much here where the curve is. Underneath here you should find the mounting point. So on this one, this is the BMW kind of plastic mounting point. There is some kind of a jack adapter which fits in here, but if you're kind of changing the wheels at home or doing some work on the car at home, most likely you won't have those adapters, and you might also have actually lost this whole piece here. So I was kind of struggling for a moment on this car, because in the front that piece is missing. So the manual says it's here where the door here about here it should be, and I was trying to find the mount point or the jack point, and well, figured out that it should be here. So everything else is covered in plastic, so you know that this is the actual mount point or the jacking point. So the next question is, how should you use the jack stand? And the best advice, and actually a BMW repair shop also use this approach, that when lifting it from the front, they just put a hockey puck in between, and you can use that approach here as well. So just place the hockey puck in between, and then jack it up from there. So this approach worked for me. Hope this was helpful. If it was, please give a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing. I'll leave links to my other car videos up there. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.